Right. Here's a trick. I seen it on YouTube today, and I said, dude, I don't know how to do that trick. So here, I figured out how to do it because I'm a smart person. My back hurts. Just bracket that shit up. Okay, here's the trick. You go. Oh, that sucked. Let me do that again. Ooh, just pick any card you like. Any card, ooh, yeah, feel that. Oh, I want this card. I want this card right here. I'm gonna say, don't let me see it. I'm from my head, but you can't see it. That's the. Don't let me see that card. Hand it down. I really ain't close my eyes right now. You can't see it. Right? You don't say that. I'm just telling you that because you can't see my face because it's ugly. Alright, now you gonna that card. Alright. What you wanna do? You gonna take the first 2 cards off top of your deck. You gonna say, look at that. Bam, 2 aces. Oh my god. Look. You gonna say, look, 2 aces. Look. Lucky demon magic. Okay. And then you're just gonna stick them on top of that. In a motion like this. See, this one's sticking out in the back here. So what you gotta do is square them up and put them down. Simple. Pick up their card. Now take their card, he's taking your card. Like, give me that card, give it. And they'll not want to give it to you. They'll say, give it. Pull it right out of their hands. Okay. Stick it like right there, dog. Stick it like right there, dog. You don't see this shit, it's gonna be cool. You go, just kidding, I didn't do nothing. You're gonna be like, watch this, check this shit out. You don't say you're checking this shit out? Now you still have it like this, alright? You don't say check this shit out, dog. You're just gonna stick your hand sideways. Ooh, where's that card? Where is it? It cannot be produced in this deck, no place. Look at that, dog. Can't be found. It can't be found no matter what place you look. You ain't gonna find that. So what you wanna do is come over, you're gonna square up the deck. So, oh shit, these cards do not want to fucking square, dog. Square that shit up real tight. Get it real tight and compacted. Then when you have your cards down, you're gonna take that card. There's 2, like I told you. And you're gonna say, dog, check this out. You're gonna say, dog, check this out. Check this out right here. You got 2 cards. Alright? It's 2 ordinary motherfucking cards. Right there. Yo, gonna show you that. And you go watch. Oh, another card has mysteriously appeared at that. And then you feel it on the back. Their card. Trapped. Sandwich into a sandwiching motion. You can go, alright, time to see you gotta do this trick, dog. You don't like this shit, dog. It's gonna be cool. You take this damn card, we're gonna put it into the middle. Simple. One more your son. So take your 2 top cards, you don't stick on top of the deck. You don't stick with the card. You don't let me look. You need to look. You go, bam. Oh, shit. I'm clearly not a magician. Yo, see that card? 7 of hearts? Don't let me see that 7 of hearts. Not ever let me see it, okay? You can even say don't let me see the 7 of hearts because it don't matter, dog. You don't matter if they know what you know the card is. We'll reveal the magic tricks. Bastards. I'm just kidding, I'm going to reveal it now. You go, put it, they have their card, okay? Take 2 cards on top. Up here. Make sure it's up here. It's gotta be up here. It's gotta be. So then, shit, my neck looks like a cocksucker. What you wanna do is, you wanna come up, dog? You wanna fucking show that shit up, dog? You say, do that shit. You wanna put that shit down just like so. Part sticking on the back. When you go to square them up, you wanna put it down. What you really did, you wanna put down 1 card. You tricked them. They were tricked. Alright? Alright, you can tell that I put down 2 cards because the camera angle sucks ass, but it don't matter, you don't be able to tell. And these cards are kind of bent too. Ooh, nasty. What you wanna do now? Take a card, stick it like halfway down there. I know exactly where halfway down is, right there. Now what you wanna do is, what you want to do is just gonna make this vanish. Like, you know what I mean? You're gonna make it vanish. You're gonna be like, oh shit, that card like that. Like, basically what you're gonna do is just gonna come over and sandwich your ass down. It's gone. Oh shit, it's still there. It's still there, dog. Let me show you this again. Let me show you how to do this again. Stick it about half in there. When you say, watch this. There's your card. Okay? And then you turn your hand, go down. Oh, it's gone. Where is it? I'm not really good at this. Here's how I do it. If you didn't take it out already, you want to slide that up with your hand. Make sure you don't get more than 1, which I always seem to do, and hide it like that, so I can't see it. You probably want to hold it out this way. Then you just want to come back on top. So now it's like that. They don't know that. Then you just go. Now watch. Slowly go down. And once you get to the slowly go down part, right here, you want to take this finger. You're just going to push it in there. Now they think the card's still there. And they just go, ooh, looks like it vanished. Now these 2 cards will just push together. Like they'll push away by themselves. Don't do shit and whatever. After you put them back, get a break under those cards like this, like so. Just put all your fingers under there. And then you go to put your hand over, push those cards up, bend your hand to the square deck. You go, alright, it's ready, dog. It's done, dog. It's fucking done, dog. Go bam. Take that 2 cards. Well, it's really 1. You know that. I know that. Everybody know that. And then you go check this shit out, dog. What I'm going to do for you, dog. I'm going to take your 2 cards here. And just, ooh, how did that happen? Ooh, look at that. It's your card, dog. Shit. 7 of hearts. What you want to do is, because you take them 2, you palm them 2, you stick them down, and then you make sure you can only see the 2 aces, like so. And then you just slide that other one a little bit. Okay, turn them over, show them that card. It's cool, it's done. It's like, sometimes, everybody reset, just make sure. Yeah, now you reset, you're good to go. No gimmicks, no shimmicks, no gimmicks, no wimmicks, no winning, no toys, no boys, no chores, no doing your chores, dog. Fucking dog. Then you come up to your camera, you'll eat that shit like a percent. You'll be like, are you ready?